Hello, good evening, friends. Welcome to EMCC Educators. Let's fly high and achieve our ambitions by achieving good education through this process. So, let's begin. EMCC 2018 Part 1. So, I am going to cover subsection on probability, which is a part of mathematics. Generally, this probability is being covered under various sections in our aptitude, campus, and school level, college level. So, this is being presented by EMCC Fly High. So, probability. What is probability? Probability is happening of an event at any time. So, how much it is probable to get to be happened in near future, or we can say what are the chances of happening. So in part 1 we will be covering introduction on probability and its theorem. In part 2 I will be covering questions on probability, about us. So EMCC Educator is a renowned name in the field of education. Aim of this is to aspire, achieve, fly high by gaining world class education. You can follow, like, share, subscribe this channel and website given below. This is dheerajextramarks.blogspot.com. Then we have extramarksblogs.wordpress.com. Then I have a YouTube channel. You can go and subscribe there. I have another YouTube channel. You can go and subscribe there. EMCC ITM extra marks. So probability. Generally, probability is of two types. First is experimental probability. It is based on what has happened actually. So suppose a coin is tossed 10 times and head appeared 4 times. The probability of getting head is equal to 4 by 10. So 4 is the chances of coming of head, means what we require, the favorable thing what we require, and 10 is the total outcome is going to be which is going to be occurring in a future, in any time. So the total probability we can say. So 4 is appearing head 4 times, and 10 is how many times we have tossed the coin. So probability of getting tail will be remaining 6, means if head is coming 4 times, the remaining 6 times, 10 minus 4 will be 6. 6 will be the tail. Probability of getting tail will be 6 by 10. Now we will be having theoretical or classical probability. It is based on the concept of equally likely of events. Means that if we have a coin and it is being tossed, the chances of coming head and chances of coming tail will be equal. Means if a coin is having head and tail, the probability of head will be 50% and chances of tail will be 50%. So total will be 100%. So we can conclude that there will be half chance of coming head and half chance of coming tail. So probability of getting head or tail is equal to half. So we can conclude that probability of any event is equal to favorable outcome of that event and total outcome of that event. Favorable outcome of that event divided by total outcome of an event means the E element NE will be the favorable outcome divided by NS will be the total outcome of the event. So we have this important point. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. So 0 means we have no probability and 1 means we have 100 probability of occurring an event. So these are the limits. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. So probability always lies between these 0 and 1 limit. And we have this theorem. We have to prove that probability of occurrence and non-occurrence of an event is always equal to 1. The probability of E plus probability of bar E equal to 1 means if a probability of event E is something, so the remaining probability will be probability of bar E, where there will be no occurrence of an event. So whenever any event occurs and whenever event not occurs, so combine those by plus sign, we will be getting probability 1 means occurrence and non-occurrence of an event is always equal to 1. So in this, let's assume that event E occur by m ways and does not occur in n ways. The total ways are m plus n. So total events are m plus these are so E is the event occurred in m ways and and does not occur in m ways, and we can conclude that total ways will be m plus n. So probability of occurrence will be m divided by m plus n and probability of non-occurrence will be n divided m plus n. So summing these two by adding both equation, probability of event E plus probability of bar E equal to m divided by m plus n divided by m plus n. So probability of E event or probability of bar E event equal to m plus n divided by m plus n. So total probability will be 1. This is the thing, that probability always is equal to 1. So hence now we will be covering second part in the next video. Keep watching this EMCC educators. Please like, share, follow, subscribe these channels and must watch these websites. Thank you. Have a nice day.